Welcome to Nasir Soft. This is the natural language processing tutorial series and in this video I will show you the term frequency. Term frequency is simply the ratio of the count of a word present in a sentence to the length of the sentence. Okay, if I denote the term frequency with TF, then the number of times term appear in the particular row divided by the overall total number of terms in the row. Okay, it gives us the frequency of the word in each document or text in the corpus. So this is my program, and first I import the NLTK and its all packages, and then I import the pandas, and I have a CSV file. Okay, inside this there is some text. So by using the pandas I read CSV file, and the CSV file is like this one. It has the 4 rows, and inside the first row there is a text, inside the second another text, and similar so text. So first of all I read this file through the panda, and now I will apply the term frequency in Python. So for example, in the first text, if it has been decided to open up shops, okay, and today is Sunday, and for example here if I write some more words like to for duplicate for the shops as well, and here the shops are closed. Okay, and inside the third text, that is students of 2021 are matured. Okay, and please understand, do not blame teachers. And here for example, if I use the word teachers as well for our understanding, and this is small one, here students students are also responsible. So now save the file and go back to the Python code here. After reading the file, now we have to write the code for the term frequency as well. So inside the data file, all the text related to the CSV, okay, that reads from the CSV is here. And if I go to here inside the text attribute, all the text is okay. So therefore here I make a new variable, that is for example tf1. Okay, and from the data file text attribute, okay, we will apply method through lambda x for each individual row through the pandas view. Okay, close this one, value counts function, and here for each row split it by each word, and then apply the sum method and sum the with respect to the axis row wise. Okay, for 0 x is equal to 0, and then reset index. After this, when the term frequency is given, okay, then from here by using the tf1 dot columns, this is n columns, and that's equal to, the first one is words and second is its term frequency. Okay, after that if I print the tf1, okay, then if I execute the program, you will see that after reading the file it shows me the each individual word term frequency. Has term frequency is 1, up 1, 2, decided 1. What's about the shops? So here shops is 1, and again for example this is also shops 1. So basically it's considered its shops dot as separate. Okay, if I go to here and remove from dot here, basically these shops and these shops are now will equal, and similarly for teachers as well. Okay, if I here give space and from here also save this file and go back again, execute. Then you will see that now shops will occur twice. Okay, here now shops term frequency is 2, words is 1, or are 3, and teachers also has 2, and so on. So this is how you can apply the term frequency in Python. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.